Hey everyone, so I wanted to show you guys this look that I did look up for you. So yes, like I haven't really had a full glam video like this in a minute. I want to say maybe before I even had my baby. Like it's just been a long overdue video. So I hope you guys like this look, and yeah, let's get straight into it, loves. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Let's hop straight into this video. Hey love, so today I'm going to be creating this orange and green look that I saw on Instagram. I thought it was really cute. I'm using Juvia Place, the Zulu palette, and also the BH Cosmetic Take Me to Brazil palette. I used the orange in both palettes to definitely help intensify the orange that I was going for. First, I used Juvia Place, that Zulu palette. That orange was really, really pretty and nice. And then next, I used the Take Me to Brazil. They had a different shade of orange that I used to kind of intensify the look. The first thing I did was put that green down, but once I saw how it looked, or once it started to oxidize, I realized that that wasn't really what I liked. So I did use my NYX lingerie. It's a white matte, I believe it was an eyeshadow base, but it's a matte eyeshadow base. But before it got too dry, I wanted to add that lime back into it. And that lime was a shimmer powder. I got it at a makeup, like pop-up shop type thing. So I used that lime green shimmer on top, and then I just went on to the other eye, because as you can see, the eye that had the white was really, really pretty, way more intense. So I just add that to the eye that I did before, so that they look the same, because you don't want to be out here with two different eyes. Like, I mean, I understand that your eyes are never going to be exactly the way maybe one eye is, but you can at least make them sisters. They don't have to be twins, but they can at least be sisters, okay? I tell people that when I'm doing their eyebrows, like, hey, I can't make these two twins, but I can make them sisters. So I did use that to definitely intensify that lime look, and I also used a little bit of the green also from the BH Cosmetic Take Me to Brazil palette, just to really define that green, because I wanted it to be nice and shimmery, but also still like lime and like pop almost. This is like my glam up look, so y'all, highlighted and contoured my face, something I don't usually do like at all whatsoever. I use I use the what is the company, LA Girl. I use LA Girl Fawn, and I also use the It's Me's Cosmetic Nutty, and I mix those two colors together to highlight my cheeks and my nose. I also was using this new Revolution deep banana setting powder, which I really liked it. It's really nice. They also have another color, I think it's like sienna or something, I don't know, I have it, but that one is really good as well. These shades are really, really nice for us. As y'all know, I don't really highlight and contour my face a lot, so this is like, you know, it's been a minute, but yeah. I also contoured my face with the Anastasia Beverly Hills, the hot chocolate eyeshadow, because I don't sometimes like the colors that they have for me to do my contour with, so I used that instead. And I didn't let the rest of my face bake, but for my nose and that lip area, I let it bake because I wanted it, I guess, to be way more defined, and I wanted my nose to be a little snatched or whatever. So here I'm just making sure that when I blend in, everything is totally blended so that you don't see too many of the harsh marks in my face. I then use that Juvia Place, I think it's like the Warrior palette, for my cheeks, and I use NYX as a blush. Like I said, y'all, it's kind of rough because I haven't done it in a while. So yes, like I I just was feeling some type of way and wanted to get a little glammed up. I did use a little bit of a highlight on my face, but I don't think you really could tell because I had forgot to spray my face before I highlighted anyway. So I didn't really care whether the highlight was nice or not. I did use the color Cork in MAC for my pencil, but I didn't like the way it came out. So I went back over it with my Nicka K lip liner in Indigo because I don't know, I just was like, let me try a little purple or something with it just to make it pop. I did use my Kylie Jenner lipstick that is in the color, I can't remember. I'll put it below in the description box, but I did use her lipstick, her matte lipstick. I think it's Exposed. Yeah, that's what it was. It was Exposed. And then I just add some more of my lip liner on top of it. Her lip gloss is really nice. It's really matte. It does smell good, but if you haven't had water, stuff like that, it will show the like kind of crackish, cakey-ish look. And of course I added my mold because you know I'm from San Diego. You know I have to put my little Latina spice in it. And I am using my own lashes because I have my own lash line now. And I was rocking Princess lashes. And I also used some NYX, what was that? The NYX Butter Gloss. That was Creme Brulee on top just because I didn't want it to be too matte. I wanted it to be a little glossy. And next is the eyes. I put my stick. It's a stick glue for strip lashes. I put that on top. I use my Milk pencil from NYX in white. Next, I use the Too Faced for my bottom lashes and my top lashes. Or actually, that mascara that I'm using is Pritzy's Pritzy Cosmetic mascara, and it's really, really nice. So I use that on my eyes. Next, I'm just gonna pop these little lashes on, and I believe that was it for my look. Cause you know, just one eye right there, you can see it was popping. It was snatched. I looked so cute. I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share, and comment below. And definitely stay tuned because I'm going to do more glammed up videos. And don't forget at the top to go ahead and blend the rest of your makeup. You don't want to look a little too ashy, y'all.